This is a 6-pack of roller sidewalk chalk paint.
You just add water and then you roll to paint your sidewalk, your driveway, your grass, and then you wash it off. It is so much fun. I was sent these to review, so let me show you a closer look. Chalk paint rollers. Looks like 2 orange, 2 red, and 2 green. Oh my gosh. The bottle says non-toxic and washable. Easy grip bottle, just add water. The instructions are right here. Roller cap color indicates chalk color. Green, red, orange. Very basic foam. Squish, squish, squish. Unscrew the roller cap and remove the seal from the bottle opening. Add water to the indicated fill line. Replace the roller cap and mix thoroughly. There are holes in the cap. That's how the liquid chalk is gonna come out and get to the roller. So be careful when you shake it. Point the roller downward and roll it along the surface to create fun chalk designs. And it has a little warning: for outdoor use only, adult supervision recommended. Use only for temporary markings on driveways, sidewalks, and grass. They do have different package quantities. You can get in packs of 6, 12, or 18, and you can get them in different color sets as well. So keep that in mind. Here we are, all dried and gorgeous. The green especially is really bright, but all the colors are really nice. And then once they're dried, like, they stay really nicely. Like, that's not gonna come off until you wash it off.